Okay, as some of you are aware, I haven't got a boiler, so I've got to find somewhere to have a shower. And as I says, I'm going to be knocking on people's doors to see if they'll let me use the shower. Here's the first person I'm going to knock on, and let's see what reaction I get. Oh, hello. Can I use your shower?
That best not be on Facebook.
I sound like, oh, and there's little Maisie, look. Hello, Maisie. Hiya, Maisie. Can I use your shower, Maisie? Eh? Can I use your shower?
I hate
So,
you.
here it is. The first person I've knocked on is my daughter, Maria. So, may I use your shower?
You may. Get that camera
Thank you
away
very
from
much.
me.
Say hello, Maisie. Say bye, Maisie. Bye.